there! Welcome to my channel Education Spot. Are you ready to dive into the world of computer science in this quick video? I'll share 15 essential tips to help you succeed in your computer science education. Let's get started.
1. Understand basics. Get a strong grasp of the fundamentals. 2. Choose right resources. Use quality textbooks and online courses. 3. Practice coding regularly. Code every day to improve your skills. 4. Work on real projects. Apply your knowledge with hands-on projects. 6. Stay current. Keep up with the latest trends and technologies. 7. Master data structures and algorithms. These are the building blocks of CS. 8. Practice problem solving. Sharpen your skills with coding challenges. 9. Collaborate and network. Connect with fellow learners and professionals. 10. Stay organized. Keep your coding environment neat and tidy. 11. Learn multiple programming languages. Broaden your skills set. 1. 2. Don't skip math. It's important in areas like AI and CRYPTOGRAPHY. 13. Be patient and persistent. Challenges are part of the journey. 14. Set goals. Define your learning objectives. 15. Teach others. Share your knowledge and reinforce your understanding. There you have it. 15 tips to help you thrive in computer science. Remember, it's a journey, so stay curious, stay motivated, and keep coding. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.